Seahawk puts the wind blast on Blackhawk. Blackhawk is chasing the Seahawk. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum, greetings. This is the second flight of Seahawk FS09S, and Abdul Hadi is going to fly this time. So unlock, up, okay, down and out, okay, leave it, and take off. Very good. Lower the altitude. Lower. Yes, come down, down, down. Okay, this is safe altitude for you. It's above your head, all right? So fly around one circle. Show us how you fly it. Very good, mashallah. Good job. Very nice. I can still see the helicopter. I hope the GoPro can still see the helicopter. Don't go too far, okay? Keep it closer because it's at night. You will easily lose the orientation. Remember, green LED is on the right and red is on the left. Got it? This way you will know where the tail is and where the head is. And there's a red LED on the tail. Go forward. There's a woman coming. Comfortable flying it? Like it? So let me join you. So here comes the Black Hawk to join the Seahawk. Oh, Seahawk puts the wind blast on Black Hawk. Black Hawk is chasing the Seahawk right there. Seahawk pilot is 50 years old. How old are you, Mr. Hadi? Oh, okay. Seahawk pilot is 80 years old, and Blackhawk pilot is going to be 49 years old. Man, I wish we had LED lights. We could see them. So Blackhawk is not easy to see, but Seahawk is. Hadi likes to fly faster. Oh, almost looks like it was a hit. Very good, Mr. Hadi. Doing absolutely a very good job. Follow me. Lower altitude, you can follow me. Turn around. Show us a landing. Beautiful. That was nice, right? Good job.